Have you ever pondered about what your feline friend is trying to communicate to you? Welcome to an exploration of the enigmatic world of cat communication. Cats are known for their mystery, their elegance, and their peculiar ways of communicating. Understanding what our feline companions are saying can seem like a complex puzzle. But fear not, as we're here to help unravel this mystery. In this video we'll be peeling back the layers of the feline language, exploring everything from the subtlest purr to the most urgent meow. We'll also dive into the fascinating research findings around feline vocalizations and provide practical tips on how to decode your cat's language. This knowledge will not only deepen the bond you share with your cat, but also enable you to meet their needs more effectively. So, are you ready to become a fluent speaker in cat? Stay tuned as we delve into the intriguing world of feline communication. Scientists have spent years studying our furry friends to decipher what they're trying to tell us. And you know what? They've made some fascinating discoveries. Let's start with the most common cat vocalization, the meow. It's pretty much a cat's all-purpose word. Kittens meow to their mothers when they're hungry or cold, but as they grow older they typically stop using this vocalization with other cats. Instead, they reserve their meows for us humans, often to get our attention or ask for something. Now let's talk about purring. This sound is usually associated with contentment and relaxation. However, it's not always sunshine and rainbows. Cats also purr when they're stressed, injured, or sick. It's like their version of a distress signal. Then we have hissing and growling. As you may have guessed, these are warning sounds. If a cat hisses or growls, it's saying, "Back off, I'm not in the mood for games." It's their way of asserting dominance or expressing fear, anger, or discomfort. Lastly, there's chattering. That peculiar sound cats make when they spot a bird or a squirrel outside the window. It's thought to be an expression of frustration or excitement, a kind of unfulfilled predatory instinct. The fascinating thing is, these vocalizations aren't just random sounds. They're tied to the cat's mood, health, and relationship with humans. For example, a cat that trusts its human might meow in a higher pitch, while a cat that's scared or aggressive might make lower-pitched sounds. So, what's the takeaway? Well, understanding cat vocalizations can give us valuable insight into their feelings and needs. It can help us forge stronger bonds with our feline friends and ensure we're meeting their needs. These findings help us better understand our pets, but remember, each cat is unique, and their communication can vary. So the next time your cat meows, purrs, hisses, or chatters, take a moment to listen. They might be trying to tell you something important. So how can we use this knowledge to understand our own cats better? Well, it's all about observation, patience, and a dash of intuition. Let's dive right in. First, pay attention to the tone and pitch of your cat's meow. Cats have a broad vocal range and they use it to express different needs and emotions. A high-pitched, urgent meow might mean your cat is hungry or wants attention. A low-pitched, drawn-out meow could indicate discomfort or distress. Next, observe your cat's body language. The position of a cat's tail, ears, and whiskers can give you clues about what they're feeling. A tail held high, for instance, signifies a content and confident cat, while flattened ears might mean your cat is scared or agitated, and those twitching whiskers, they're a sure sign of curiosity or excitement. Also, take note of any changes in your cat's behavior or routine. Cats are creatures of habit. If your normally playful kitty is sleeping more than usual or your usually aloof cat suddenly becomes clingy, it could be signaling that something's up. But remember, every cat is unique. What works for one might not work for another. The key is to spend quality time with your feline friend. Get to know their individual personality, and watch for any subtle changes in their behavior or vocalizations. And here's an interesting fact. Cats typically don't meow at each other the way they do at humans. Scientists believe that cats have developed a special set of vocalizations just for us. So when your cat meows at you, they're not just asking for food or attention, they're actually trying to communicate in a language they think you'll understand. Pretty cool, right? In conclusion, decoding your cat's language isn't an exact science. It requires a lot of patience, observation, and a willingness to learn. But when you finally crack the code, it's an incredibly rewarding feeling. You'll not only understand your cat better, but you'll also strengthen the bond between you. Remember, understanding your cat is not just about interpreting their meows, it's about building a bond with your feline friend. To sum up, understanding your cat's language is indeed possible, but it requires patience and keen observation. Our feline friends have a complex vocabulary that's unique to each cat, And getting to know their individual dialects can be an incredibly rewarding journey. It's not just about interpreting meows, but also picking up on subtle body language cues. By understanding your cat's language, you can deepen your bond with your pet and ensure their well-being. Happy decoding!